What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today. Another very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today I'm going to be showing you a pretty cool tip and trick for your gallery on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, we all take a lot of photos with our Galaxy phones, but you may not know that there's some pretty powerful search features inside of your gallery app, and you can even make it easier to find exactly the photos that you're looking for. I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. Before we get started, I do want to thank my 4-year-old son Jonathan for giving us some toys to hang out in the video. I'm showing you guys a quick shot here. He gave me some big ones today, so I panned away and just kind of showed them that it's a close-up there. We've got the dragon, and we also have the very vicious looking T-Rex. Always appreciate him. Also, if you're new to the channel, and even if you're returning, make sure to check out our alpha link frequently. You can always find the latest video. Sign up for the Mystery Box program if you're here in the US to get a free case cleaning kit, desktop phone stand if you pre-order through our affiliate link at launch time. Sign up for the newsletter. We're going to be sending out weekly newsletter, customization, Samsung news, all that cool stuff. And you can also check out our new website, SammyGuru.com, where we are covering written content over there, including tutorials, update, news, and I'll have some opinion pieces there as well. Check out all that if you're interested. The links are in the pinned comment and in the description. So let's go ahead and get started. If we go into the gallery app, I do have all of my different essential albums here, as you can see. I'm going to go into this particular album right here, which is the S24 Ultra Zoom Update album that I made when I reviewed the Zoom Update that they pushed to the S24 Ultra. I think it was the month after it originally came out. And so I want to show you one powerful feature, and then I'll also show you a place where some of these things are built in directly. Actually, let me do that first. So if you go into the search bar on the gallery, a lot of people don't know, not only can you search for whatever you want, and using AI, it has a very powerful engine. If you do search for something like they suggest here, we search for desserts, it will find all of the instances inside of your gallery where you have desserts like cake, ice cream, candy, etc. And Galaxy AI is very good at finding these. Not only that, when you do the search, in addition, you're going to get people that are in this particular search. You're going to get cities where this was taken, and you'll also see other albums. Sorry, knocked it to the side there. You'll see other albums here where these things appear, as well as some recommended searches and some other recommended albums that you might be able to create or highlights that it might be able to give you. In addition, if you do go to the same search menu, you'll see locations where you've tagged particular photos with a location. Talk about that more in a second. Shot types, which is one that I think a lot of people don't realize here. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll find all your selfies, all your videos, your scans, your portrait photos that you've taken in portrait mode, and also your photos you've taken in RAW if you use Expert RAW, which I've talked about Expert RAW quite a bit on the channel. It's a very, very powerful feature on your Samsung phone and using the camera, and it makes a big difference. Not only that, you can organize all your different documents and things like that down here at the very bottom. Highly encourage you to use this. Not only can you search for these things using text, you can also use your voice. Anyway, going back into this particular album, there's another way that you can add even more power to the search feature inside of the gallery. Now, the way you can do this is if you have a photo, for instance, like my wife's Audi e-tron here, if you swipe up, not only will you get the details about this photo, you'll see which album it's in, all of the various things like the size of this particular file, all the data for this particular shot taken with the camera, all the camera stats. You can edit the photo, but down here, you've also got the ability to add a tag. What the tag will allow you to do is it's going to make sure that the gallery knows when you search for this particular term that you want this photo to be returned in the results. So now if I tag it with, instance, vehicle, car, and then I'll add one of my own, I'll call it Audi, and then I save it, you see all those search tags were suggested, and then you can also add your own. Those then appear here at the bottom, and there's also a little pencil icon so that you can add some others as well. Now if I go back to the search and I search, for instance, for car, you'll notice it gives me hashtag car. I can search for only the ones that contain that hashtag, and I'll find this particular item. Now, if you want to search for all car photos, this will return ones that are not only in the hashtag, but also any other cars that you have inside your gallery that would match this in terms of the AI search. You can see we find our Rivian there as well. Some of you guys saw on Twitter, we just picked up this guy. Very, very cool car. I'm probably going to do a small review on this if anybody's interested, even though I don't do a lot of car reviews on this channel. It's just a really fun thing to do, and it is a very interesting piece of tech. So a very powerful search feature here inside the gallery. If you add the tags in there, that gives you even more flexibility to what the gallery can do. In addition to using Galaxy AI to find what's in your photos, you'll also be able to give specific tags that you wanted to use to return only those photos that you've tagged with that specific word. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon for future videos like this. Again, make sure you check out the new website, the Alpha link. You can always find all of our latest content over there. I appreciate you guys checking out this video. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.